So I decided it'd be a cool idea to start a devlog like some other channels do. The only thing is, this game has been in development for like almost 2 years now. So here's devlog number 1. So like I said earlier, the game has been in development for quite a while now, almost 2 years. So there's quite a lot of things already done. Basically, the gist of the game is it's a VR game. Where it's open world. You can rob the bank. You can build stuff in all these little buildings over here that have very There are also physics-based cars like this one right here. It's a truck. Alright, enough dilly-dallying. Let's get into the actual stuff that's going on in the devlog. So the other day I'd finished up the warehouse job where you basically package stuff. It's very fun. You grab an item and you put it in a box, and that's the entire. Our first optimization is making it so the player can't see more than about 50 feet in front of them. Alright, no, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't actually do that. Anyways, this is the warehouse job over here. It's not done. I mean, the code for it is basically done, but just the actual art stuff and the entire map too. It just needs to be completely redone, but that's for a future episode. But yeah, basically how this works is you walk through here, you message and apply. I'll actually show you that real quick. Oh boy, there's a lot of errors here. I don't know what I did wrong. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, I should have fixed some of those issues, but basically, you know, I was gonna make it so other players can't click your button to, like, screw you up. This is, like, what starts and stops your conveyor and everything. But, you know what? I think it'll be pretty silly if other players can screw you up, so we're just gonna keep it. And if you were wondering, yes, this is a conveyor belt right here. It just doesn't really look like one because it's not done yet. And also, these are the 4 boxes that you sort the items into. You can see it's very complete and professional art. Okay, next thing, I really wanted to add like a mining system to help players get money. So yes, you can sell things to other players and sort of have a mini in-game business for a player-led economy. But at the same time, I wanted to make a way, or more ways to make money other than selling to other players, because it's not always an option. So basically right now I'm adding the warehouse job and also a mining system, and that's going to be all until later updates. This game will release in early access. You can also rob the bank, but there is also a bounty system. Anyways, before I really get into this mining system, I just wanted to show you how basically it's going to work. You're going to have like a pickaxe, and then each rock can be broken. Like when you hit it a couple times, a chunk will come off, and basically that chunk is what you'll sell for in-game money. There are different types of rocks, as you can see. This is gold right here. This will be the most expensive one, but also the most rare. And that's really what we're gonna have to figure out how to optimize over here. Because that's a lot of chunks. I think if you have 20 rocks, each of them has 20 chunks. That is, as you can see, that is 400 objects. You know, I just did that. Okay, so what we can do for now before we head into this mining system is I'm just gonna optimize these buildables a little bit. Like I said, you can like build stuff in your plot, and yes, each one of these is destroyable. That's one of the cool parts. You can like shoot it and it'll like fall apart. We have on each of these a network transform, and transform is basically all the data for like the position, the rotation, and the size of the object. So basically this just networks that easily, so then everybody sees the object in the same position, rotation, and whatnot. But right now we're using this, which is gonna update this multiple times, which we don't really need, because once you spawn an object or a buildable, it's there and it's not gonna move unless you destroy it, and if you destroy it, it's not there anymore. That should be pretty easy. Basically how it works is you just set the position and rotation when the object spawns, and never again. And then I already have an idea of what we're gonna do for the mine chunks from the rocks. I think we're just gonna use network object pooling. Pooling basically is, instead of spawning and despawning something, which uses up a lot of performance, you basically have those things pre-spawned, and then you just take one of the pre-spawned things, you put it down, and when you don't need it anymore, you just disable it and save it for later. So the first thing I'm gonna do is set up the pickaxe object, which is just something you're gonna buy from the item shop, which that looks like this. Basically you click on something, you click add to cart, and then you check out. Okay, but then after that, basically you can choose delivery, so it can take like 60 seconds or something, or you can add for more expensive, it comes instantly, and a box with whatever item you bought comes out of this little chute right here, and then you can open the box. Another system I added to sort of add progression to like player economy is you can upgrade different discounts for things, and the price of them gets exponentially larger, I'm pretty sure. But I think that's how I made it. But basically how it works is however much money you have, you can upgrade your discounts. So in the weapons category, general category, health category, crime category, and each of these are more expensive and less expensive. But the thing is, it's permanent. So that means whenever you're buying an item out of any of these categories, the discount you have will be applied to it, and it'll be cheaper for you. Yep. But basically that's so some businesses in the game can have like better prices than the other. I'm pretty sure another way I do it is if you like buy a lot of items, or it's cheaper. And if you buy a lot of the same type of item, it's also cheaper. Oh yeah, and also the level system. So some items you have to level up to unlock, like the C4. I don't know why that says $50. The C4 is not only $50. I should probably fix that. Okay, that's fixed. I think that's the price I wanted. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so now let's actually get into adding the next item. The pickaxe item, you're not going to need a level for. It'll be free, level 0, whatever you want to say. So we're just going to add another one of these. And then I'm going to turn this into the pickaxe. For the pickaxe model, I'm using this one that I didn't make. I just textured it and made it a little better. Actually, I should probably show the textures before saying I textured it. And oh my gosh, the UVs are screwed up. Oh, I have to go fix that, don't I? All right, so yeah, we do gotta retexture this. Shouldn't be too difficult, but let's cut to when it's done in the editor. All right, ready? We have the before and after. All right, we got the pickaxe and the pickaxe box down. Let's go add that to the shop. All right, there you have it. The pickaxe is now a buyable item. And we'll set up how the pickaxe works once we set up the rest of the code for the rocks and everything. Now we got to set up the actual mining system with all the rocks and stuff. I'm gonna go grab lunch and then I'll do that. All right, it's been 12 years. I ate lunch. Now we can go ahead and make these rocks work. So let's do that. Okay, after what feels like forever, very well could have been forever, that took so long, the mining system is finally complete. You can see we have all the rock and gold prefabs here. You can see there's only a couple gold because it's supposed to be rare. But yeah, so now it's, for the most part, set up. I just have to set the rest of it up during the map redo, which will be covered in a video. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff done in this devlog. I'm gonna show off more testing in a future video. Just I don't have too much to. I'm not testing a whole bunch right now, so it's not gonna be in this video. But if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and there will probably be more. So, yep. Bye.